Hello lovely viewers, thank you and welcome back to my new YouTube channel. Kindly hit on the subscribe button and let's dive in. Hello guys, thank you and welcome back to my new YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you the first procedure to take before you start planting your pineapple. So first off, you need your pineapple. So as you can see, it has been already used. We've used the fruit itself, so this is what we have left. And then you get a glass of water, a clear glass of water. Yes. The next thing to do now is to grab this part of your pineapple and grab this side with your other hand. Turn it around. When you turn it, you tilt it and then you just pull it out. You see? So yeah, you tilt and pull, you tilt and pull. Now you leave this aside and you come to these sides of the pineapple and you start peeling off a few of the leaves. Yeah, you just select a few of it and then you peel them off. So if this is what you need or you still want to go further, you just still bring that down, bring another one down, bring another one down, bring another one down. So let's start peeling them off, all the leaves around it. Yeah, it hurts, so you should be careful when you're peeling it off. It's got tongues on it, so yeah, you peel it to this perfection. As you can see, there are some tiny white dots around it, so that's where the root comes out from. And yeah, so with that being done, you grab a glass of water and you try to top it up to the brim. Yeah, that's enough. Then you have your pineapple over here. So this whole part of the pineapple should be immersed into the water this way. So you can see, as you can see already, it's already growing in here. This is where it shoots out from. So yeah, you put this whole part into the water. So there we go. And it might spill off, but yeah. And there you have it. Let's pull it back a little. So as you can see, that's your pineapple in there. And yeah, you're good to go. Yeah, so with that being done, within a period of 1 to 2 weeks, it should start getting roots. So let me show you this. You can see those white roots showing out from there. Let me get it out of the bottle. And there you have it. You see the roots shooting out now here. So you might not have this clearly, but you can see some fresh green leaves growing in there. So yeah, that's how it grows. And yeah, within a period of 2 weeks maximum, you can transplant it into the ground or your soil pot or whatever, and you have a pineapple in about 6 months time. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly hit on the subscribe button and leave a comment in the comment section down below. Thank you, love you, watch out.